Good morning. I'm sleepy, but it's time to make bird breakfasts. So here we go. I have already gone and gotten Sula's fruit mix. I think I covered this earlier, but I'm double covering it. So we pull one of those out each day, and we thaw it in one of these little bowls. We get our little bowls from up here. We also need a little bowl for Doves, and you can use any little bowl. It really doesn't matter. For Gidget, we need a fresh water bowl, and I've been using this thing to give her treats. So Doves, Gidget, and Sulawesi dove. This is cookies. She can have that later. So up here we get the small hookbill seed mix. This is morning treat. We're going to put, there's a blue scoop in here, and we're going to put 1 scoop in for each of the doves. And then Gidget can have one of these scoops of it on some days, or you can choose to give her some birdie bread. And birdie bread is, I'm thawing out the last package, so there'll probably be some for you. I just break a chunk off. She can also have baked yam, and I'll have some of that frozen that you can thaw out. Everybody likes baked yam, including the box turtle and the bearded dragon. And Gidget gets one of these every morning. I really think I covered this already. Anyway, I will pause the video. Okay, now we're back. So I've opened everything. So a scoop of this along with the fruit mix. And a scoop of this, that's for the Sulawesi, and this is a scoop just by itself for the regular doves. I think they really like the safflower seeds. And then today we'll give Gidget some birdie bread. The chunks might be too big. This is probably 2 days worth of birdie bread. So we'll break it like so. And then save this one for tomorrow or the next day. Maybe tomorrow she'll get seed mix. I don't know, I kind of mix it up. And then she gets her 1 almond that we used for her to climb up the ladder to get. Okay. Then you can sprinkle a few mealworms from the refrigerator bottom drawer. By the way, this big trash bag, that's green mix for tortoises and beardies and whoever wants salad mix. Okay, some mealworms, just a couple, and now we're ready to go feed and wake up birdies. Okay, see ya.